Yo guys, I'm back with a new video. I'm back babies. And you guys will be wondering why am I wearing a mask. It's because when I'm filming this, it's still morning and I don't want to show you guys my morning ugly ass face, cause every time when I wake up in the morning, my face is always swollen and my eyes are so puffy. Plus, last night I watched Korean drama, so I cried a lot. So yeah, don't mind me. Anyway, for today's video, we're gonna do something special. We're gonna celebrate BTS comeback! Yay! Cause they just come back with a new song and a new album called Love Yourself, Tia, and the title song is Fake Love. And guys, actually on the day when they released their Fake Love song and MV, I actually reacted to it. I made a reaction video. I recorded it, I filmed it, I edited it, and I uploaded it. But YouTube blocked my video. YouTube blocked my content. So you guys can't see it, I can't upload it. And I actually filed a dispute, so I don't know if Big Hit Entertainment would let me to upload that video. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys, like, you know how I reacted to it. It's like BTS Fake Love. Oh my gosh, it was amazing. Especially Jin, he's so hot. Even though he's so serious in the MV, his like acting skills are so good. And when he's serious, he still looks so cute. So yeah, Jin. And everything, the dance, the song, I love it. It's like Fake Love. Wow, it's catchy. Yes, it is. And wow, BTS is like once again a legendary K-pop boy band. In just a few hours, less than 24 hours, their MV views and the likes are like, phew, it went up like millions already, like so quickly, man. And I also saw they went on BuzzFeed, they went on Ellen show, they went on the, is it called the new, I don't know, and J14 magazine and all the Western variety shows, reality shows. Like, wow, guys, they're awesome. I can see that BTS is now comfortable with talking English and all that. It's like being in the Western shows and all that. Yeah, they look better and look more comfortable than the last time they actually went for the first time. So yeah, I'm also proud of BTS because they made K-pop popular and famous. So it's because of them K-pop has like influenced the world really greatly. So yep. So for today's video, we're gonna be I'm gonna be watching like crack videos or funny videos of BTS because I've never watched it. So to celebrate this special occasion for this comeback, I'll watch it for you guys, and yeah, I'll comment about it and everything. It's gonna be funny. I know BTS is also another meme group, another hilarious group that always make fans laugh. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, without further ado, let's go. Woo! So guys, I finally found a video among the millions and billions of videos that fans have made for BTS. I don't know which one's the best video, which one's the funniest video. It was like a lot when I searched for it. Oh my gosh. And I don't know which one to choose. But finally I found one. It has the most views, million views. So yep, gonna choose this, and it's called BTS Crack #1 Wake Me Up Inside. And this was published in December 4, 2016. So this video was from 2016. And credits to the rightful owner. Thank you, FTW17. I'm gonna watch your video. Thank you. Credits to you. And okay, I can't wait. I can't wait to laugh. Make me laugh. Let's get this party started. Okay, guys, let's go into this. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Bam. Oh my god, Jin. V's face. Come on, man. Memes. Oh my god. Starting of the video already made me laugh. V's face are really... Oh, this one, Mama Awards. I watched it. It was awesome. Okay, what kind of math equation is this? Lol, Jungkook is like Jungkook.
Wake me up! Wake me up inside! Can't wake up! Wake me up inside!
Wake Me Up, their song. Oh! Gay alert, gay alert, gay alert. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, no touching, people.
God damn it, it's happening again. Where's the fucking bleach?
Oh my god. Lion King. Oh my god.
So, son, you wanna play any sports? No, I wanna dance, Dad.
Oh my god.
I said I wanna dance.
J-Hope wanna dance. Lol. Oh, it's cat. Oh.
The time has finally come.
Aww,
I hope Rap
this
Monopar
song.
likes the letter I give him.
What the hell? I think I
Hello.
watched this
Is anybody
clip
there?
of Mama. The short clip of BTS. Jimmy is inside,
Holy
right?
shit, the fuck. I am
Yeah.
so sorry. What the fuck are you? Crazy bitch.
Crazy bitch. The hell?
Excuse me.
Babe.
Boy, where are your manners? You have problems.
You have problems. Oh my god. Burn.
Excuse me.
Oh
Bro, do you
lord.
fucking mind? This is for Jimin's eyes only. Oh my literal fuck. I am so sorry. Excuse me. Do you know where now? Did you say something?
Oh my god. Junker.
Holy shit. I
Babe,
have
what
been
have you
blessed by
done?
the Jungkook. They
What
don't
the
call me the
fuck? I've
golden
been
mutt
blessed
for
by the
nothing.
Jungkook.
I legit don't even know what to put here. I swear to God, J-Hope is so fucking extra, he makes me question my sanity sometimes.
Yeah, J-Hope
Where the
is
fuck
so
is that
extra.
lil ho? What the fuck did you just say about me? Lord have mercy on my soul.
Lord have mercy. Aww. Aww. Runs away like a literally a fangirl. Lenny face. I'ma count down. Oh my gosh. Titanic! Yeah, this was like from Weekly Idol. Blood, Sweat, Tears, and Sing. Oh. You're feeling horny.
Yes, Daddy.
Oh my god. Wow, J-Hope's so beautiful. Look at that, people. Even she's like, wow. Oh my gosh, she's in tears. Yeah, I'm feeling hyped too. I think YouTubers. Yeah, right. Oh, what is this instrument called? I know in school.
I
we have
swear to
played
God,
it.
if you don't shut the fuck up, I'll shove that recorder down your throat.
Oh, it's a recorder. Jungkook, why you so this? Oh, shit. Lemons. That's sad, Redmond. You dropped all the lemons. Yo. Is he gonna dance? Oh my god. The hell? So cute! He's showing off his shoe. What? The lemons became like, is it light?
빔 프로젝터를 가슴에서 이렇게 꽂히고
Seriously, the sound effect of the flower opening.
재밌네요.
Wow, it's like really interesting.
재밌는
Like,
거 하나 얘기해 주세요.
most fun moment in my life. Yeah.
Thanks for that. White man.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder,
Oh my god, Inside Out again. Oh. Shit, stop.
You ain't really fuck with me way back then, girl. How about now? Cause I'm up right
Yeah, blood sweat,
now.
yeah.
You suck right now.
I'm sorry. 직업을 전향해 탑지라는 게 예사범이 아니야 전향해
Oh my god, what the fuck? I didn't know Suga showed his middle topic.
Don't like you. Prepare to fight.
Oh yeah, he's gonna win. Oh shit, here they come.
Here comes that bullshit, what up?
I love Run, the song. Mama Jin! This bitch had the nerve, the audacity to touch my motherfucking hair.
What the is that supposed to mean, bitch? Let's go to a clip. It's my mother.
Lol. Jin, Jungkook, Taehyung, Youngie. Happy birthday, bitch. That's J-Hope, oh my god.
Gift on my birthday to my birthday party on my birthday with a birthday gift.
What the heck? Oh! 200. Jungkook is like Jung Shook.
Pull that snake birthday thing she did. The most inconsiderate thing you can do to a person on their birthday.
Boom. Jimin! Oh! Jimin, you got no jams. Oh my god. Rapmon. How could you? Look at him! He's crying so hard. Oh my god. Dude, an egg, his face. 4 eggs. Oh my gosh, I'm right. Egg, 4 eggs. It looks so cute. What the heck? What the heck? Oh my gosh. They got me laugh like. It was one funny video, guys. Oh my gosh! Wow! Oh my gosh! It was so funny. It's like my first time watching BTS. I mean, there are also more other funny videos. Like, okay, I'm gonna watch the other ones soon. It's like, oh my god! It's so funny. Okay, anyway guys, okay, that was like me celebrating BTS comeback, and I wish all the best for BTS. I know that they're like is BBMAs today? I don't know, but anyway, I just wish them luck. I just BTS, you guys are awesome, like really, like yeah. So everybody is really glad. It's like happy that you have come back with a really great song. It's like Fake Love. It's my favorite song right now. It's like it's really catchy. I miss Jimin's high pitched voice. Even Jin, like all your vocalists. Oh damn, you're so funny. Okay, anyway, let's I have nothing to say. Okay, anyway, that was it. So this is how I'm gonna celebrate for BTS. It's a sad thing that I can't post up the reaction video. I don't know if I can, but yeah. Anyway, that's all for today. So see you guys soon in another video. Yep. So this is the end of my video. Bye guys. Bye. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Give a thumbs up to this video, and also buy BTS albums. I'm sure that it has already gone like sold out already, like wow. So anyway, that's all. Bye guys. Bye.